Pizza balls, little bites of happiness. Forget boring old pizza. Let's make pizza balls. They are like mini pizzas, all rolled up into fun, bite-sized balls. Perfect for sharing parties or just when you want pizza but with a twist. Getting started your shopping list. Before we start cooking, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, nothing fancy here. You probably already have most of this stuff in your kitchen. For the dough, warm water, sugar, yeast, flour, olive oil, salt. For the filling, cooked chicken, chopped, pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, grated. For brushing, olive oil, dried oregano, wakey yeast. Making the dough, part 1. First, we need to wake up the yeast. It's what will make our dough light and fluffy. Put some warm water in a bowl. Add a little sugar and then sprinkle in the yeast. Give it a little stir and let it sit for a bit. You'll see bubbles. That means the yeast is working its magic. Kneading and rising. Now for the fun part. Pour the yeasty water into a big bowl with the flour, olive oil, and salt. Mix it all up until it forms a dough. Then, dust your hands with flour and knead the dough for a few minutes. Kneading is like giving the dough a good massage. It makes it smooth and elastic. Once the dough is smooth, put it back in the bowl, cover it with a clean cloth and let it rise in a warm place for about an hour. It should double in size. Look at that dough go. Roll, fill, seal. Time to build our pizza balls. Punch down the risen dough to let out any air bubbles. Then, divide the dough into small balls. Roll out each ball into a small circle, like a mini pizza crust. Spoon some pizza sauce in the center, top it with the cooked chicken and a sprinkle of mozzarella cheese. Now bring the edges of the dough together to form a ball, pinching it tightly to seal in all the yummy filling. Preheat your oven nice and hot. While it's heating up, place the pizza balls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Brush them with a little olive oil and sprinkle with some dried oregano. Pop those beauties into the oven and bake until they're golden brown and the cheese is all melty and gooey. This should take about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the pizza balls are out of the oven, let them cool for a few minutes. You don't want to burn your mouth on all that cheesy goodness. Take a bite and boom, you've got a flavor explosion in your mouth. The soft, chewy dough, the savory chicken, the tangy pizza sauce, and the melted mozzarella cheese all in one perfect bite. Pizza balls are perfect for any occasion. Movie night, pizza balls, game day, pizza balls, potluck party. You guessed it, pizza balls. They are always a hit. So there you have it, an easy and fun recipe for irresistible chicken pizza balls. Now go on, get your chef on, and impress your friends and family.
Why do 99% of party lovers go wild for chicken pizza balls? Let's find out together. Hey, food lovers! Today, we're making Shafat's chicken pizza balls, the perfect bite-sized treat for any occasion. First, grab some cooked chicken, cheese, and pizza sauce. Mix them together in a bowl until they're best buddies. Now take a spoonful of the mixture and roll it into a ball. Coat each ball with breadcrumbs for that extra crunch. Pop them in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes or until they're golden perfection. And voila! You've got yourself some cheesy, savory, irresistible chicken pizza balls that'll be the star of any party. Enjoy them with your favorite dipping sauce and watch them disappear in no time. Thanks for watching, guys. If you give this recipe a try, be sure to tag me in your posts so I can see your creations. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tasty recipes and cooking tutorials. See you in the next video.